Hello students, hope you all are fit and fine, maintaining all the rules, obeying your parents, because this is moral science class, my dear, and this is only all about your behavior. Moral science is not a subject that we will read, write and pass the examination. It is only about our moral values. Now today we are going to study the chapter 2, and you can see topic is love. First I will like to talk to you all what is love. My dear, love is a special feeling. Here it is written also, love is a special feeling that comes from the heart. It is caring for someone, treating them with kindness and respect and accepting them as they are. When we are in love, what happens? We take care of you, we are kind to you, we are accepting you as you are, and we always try to do improvement in you. Love is not which is shown in the movie or TV serials, my dear. Love is a feeling which your parents feels about you, which you feel about your parents, which you feel about your siblings, brothers, sisters, which you feel about your friends, your teachers. This is love. If you are not coming to school, you are not feeling nice. Why? Because you love your friends. Alone you can't enjoy. When you are together with your friends, together with your parents, when you are coming to school, leaving your parents, departure time you are running away to home. Sometimes I tell also children that your home will not run away. Why? To meet their parents. This is love. And this we people don't love, my dear. You will see animals also taking care of their child, or child is taking care of their parents, licking each other. So love is a special feeling. It can't be expressed. It can't be told. I love you is not showing the love. Love is only to feel. Now see, here is a story related to this, and through this story it is the writer have tried to explain what is love. Once upon a time there lived a cat and a mouse. The cat always troubled the mouse. She ate his food, frightened him and ran after him. The mouse was afraid of the cat. Usually you see there is a race in cat and mouse. Always the cat is chasing and mouse is running away. This is the natural thing. So cat and mouse can't live together. But what happens in this story, this is only a story, my dear, not a real thing. It is only this is only a means to explain you what is love. One day the cat got wet in the rain and fell sick. She started sneezing akshu akshu. She was also running a high fever. She could not get out of the bed. The mouse heard the cat sneezing. He looked out of his hole and found the cat lying sick in her bed. She was shivering with cold and fever. What happened here? When rainfall happened, the cat got wet and it got fever. Started sneezing from that time only. And in sick, it was in bed. And who was happy? The mouse. Mouse looked out of his hole and found the cat lying sick. She was shivering with cold and fever because the cat was sick. That's why cat was shivering. Now mouse became happy. Who became happy, my dear? Mouse became happy. Why? And he told, hooray, enemy is sick. The cat is going to, wait 1 second. Hooray, the enemy is sick. The cat is going to die. He started singing and dancing. The cat's fever had made her all red. The mouse knew that the cat would soon die, but instead of feeling sad, he sang and danced. This usually happens who is not behaving nicely to us, or we are not able to understand. Sometimes parents are scolding or talking rudely, or teachers are scolding. We think that they don't love, but this is not the thing, my dear. Your neighbors won't come to scold you, because they are not concerned with you. Whatever, if you are doing right or wrong, they are not concerned with you. But your parents will scold you. Sometimes they can be rude. Like that only your teachers can scold you. Sometimes they are rude, which you don't feel nice. But they are talking in high volume, high pitch, because of your betterment. Because they want their children's betterment. They want to explain their children that no, I can't consider this is wrong. And what is happening here? The mouse is singing because the cat was sick, a mouse was enjoying. Now see. After some time, the mouse decided to eat his lunch. But he did not feel hungry. He remembered the cat's sickly face and felt sorry for her. The cat is not so bad after all, he thought. He runs after me, but that keeps me active. She frightens me, but that makes me regular in praying to God for help. Without her, my life would be so boring. Same thing which is happening with you all. When there is holiday, you are feeling very happy, but now if you are staying at home, you are not feeling nice at all. I know very nicely, my dear, that you are missing your school, you are missing your friends, you are missing your teachers. So whenever we get the thing, we don't we can't imagine its important. We can't understand its importance. Like you have got your parents with you right now. If they are not going according to you, then what you think? That they don't love me. But as your mother will be away with you only for one single day, you can understand the importance of your mother or the importance of your father. That happened with the mouse also. Mouse has not ran, mouse has not the cat was not able to chase, mouse didn't run, her food was not digested. So the mouse have seen the cat's sickly face. When we see anyone happy, cheerful, smiling face, we feel nice. But here what happened? He was remembering sickly face, and then he thought, she runs after me, but that keeps me active. Means when you are coming to school earlier in the morning, you are waking up and you feel active. She frightens me, but that makes me regular in praying to God for help. Without her, my life will be so boring. What is happening here? The mouse is thinking now all the positive thing related with the cat. She runs after me, that makes me active. She frightens me, but I am regular in praying to God due to it. And without her, my life will be so boring. So she decided to help the cat. First he cooked some food for her. Then he went and got some medicines for her. In this way he looked after her for many days. Finally the cat was back on her feet and healthy again. After she became all right, they remained good friends. And after this friendship, see what is happening. As time went by, their love for each other increased. As the time was going on, their love for each other was increasing. They were always looking for ways to help each other. They lived for many years together. They would often say, "It is better to be friends than enemies." And my dear, it is always better to be friends than enemies. Whether it is our neighbor, it is our children, it is our students, we should always try to see the positive part. It depends upon us. If we are thinking negative, we will go down. If we will think positive, we are always charged and we are always active. So this is the moral of the story. When the mouse has seen in the real story, when mouse will go near the cat, it will eat up. But in this story is only to explain you what is love. When we are seeing the positive part of this story, that is everything is good. In life also it happens, my dear, that we should see always the positive part. Because if there is one, right now we are facing this problem of COVID-19, but we should see always the positive part. It is a time, it will go on, and we will be back to school again. We will meet each other, we will be with each other, we will study with each other, we will play with each other. So this is only a punishment. We were not going according to the nature. We were not saving the tree, saving the atmosphere, saving the water. So God has punished. Think of that only. God has punished. And after this punishment, a time will come that God will forgive us. And then again we will be together with each other. So this is only to explain the love. And all of you know we should love all God-made things. God has created each things, and each thing is having its meaning in this world. Now you will write the word meaning of some words, my dear. Special. Special means not usual or ordinary. Something is special. This is my special dress. Means I won't wear this dress every day. Isn't it? It is unordinary. Treating. Treating means behaving. Like we are treating our children very lovingly. Your parents treat you lovingly. Accept. Accept means to take or receive. Take or receive not only gift, we accept the challenge also. We accept some work also. If some work is given to us, we accept it happily. Yes, I will do it. Now trouble. Trouble, all of you know. Problem which we are facing right now. We are in trouble, frightened, full of fear. Many people are full of fear right now, and many people is taking it as a challenge. Okay, that we will maintain discipline and we will be back again. Afraid. Afraid means scared. We are afraid of the lion, tiger, thunder. Shivering. Shivering means trembling. Sometimes with cold also we shiver, with fear also we shiver. Decided. It was decided that your part 2 examination will be in the month of July. So decided means took decision. Thought. Whatever idea we are having, with whatever we are thinking, to express it. Boring means dull, not enjoying. Now this will be your homework. You will write SW and date, and in very good handwriting you will do all your work in your copy. This is your quotation of today. This quotation also, my dear, you have to write. Let your manner be sympathetic. Let it be seen that you are filled with universal love. Means your manner should be so sympathetic that it should show no hatred. It should be free from hatred. And let not your heart be offended with anyone. We should love and respect all the God-made things, because this world is a wonderful place for us to live in. Now thank you, my dear.